Xin chào! Welcome back to Cooking with Jane. Today I'm gonna cook the braised pork with duck eggs in coconut water. It's a very popular dish in a daily meal, especially in the south of Vietnam. Now, let's get started. Here I have 600 grams pork belly and 5 boiled duck eggs. I'm cutting the pork into pieces about 2 to 3 centimeters. I already prepared the chopped purple onions. Now I'm seasoning the pork with fish sauce, soya sauce, and the chopped onions. Mix them well now and leave them here for at least 15 to 20 minutes. While waiting, I'm peeling off the skin of the eggs. I already boiled them for about 7 minutes. It's time for cooking. Now I'm starting with boiling some oil in the pot. Then I'll add some sugar to make the natural brown color. I use about 3 small spoons of sugar. Keep mixing the pork until they get brown. Here I have 300 milliliters fresh coconut water. I also add more fresh water and boiling them for at least half an hour. If you have more time, you can boil them more. Then the pork would get really soft. Then it's even nicer. This is a trick to make the eggs get the sauce soak into it by using the fork to make some holes. I continue seasoning more since it's still not really salty enough. Continue boiling for about half an hour more. With the onions, separate them into the white part and the green part. With the green part, I'm cutting into small pieces, and with the white part, I'm making them like a flower. Then I add them into the pork first. Continue cooking until the sauce soaks totally into the meat and the eggs, and I add the green onions. Now it's done. Time to serve. I add some cilantro and some chili, some black pepper, eating with some salad, herbs, tomatoes, and steamed rice. Enjoy! Thank you again for watching my video and see you in the next videos. Have a good day!